Hi, welcome to the 253 Wiki. I'll just show you around. This is the main page, and you can't really get anywhere else on the Wiki unless you log in, and you're logged in when your user ID shows up here. I'll just log out so you can see what that looks like. When you first visit the page, it'll look like this, and you'll see these little red numbers. So first thing to do is log in, and I've already logged in, so my browser's remembering, and you have to have cookies on. So if you've not done that, enable cookies. So once you log in, you can you have a user page, and actually the first assignment is going to get you to do something there, so just take note of that. Anyway, I've got the schedule here, and I actually have a PDF for the readings for this week in case you haven't bought the book yet, but I won't do that after this. Here's the schedule. We've got 2 stat holidays, so it's going to be compressed. You can get the course outline from the communication web page. Here are the assignments, the exams, how the participation is marked, and some other information. Your TAs might fill in this part here with things that are going to go on in the tutorial. The first assignment is actually to make a presence for yourself on the wiki. So here's the instructions, and you have to create a user page. So it's pretty easy. Just click on your name up here. And it might be red when you first do it, because if you haven't got one, things that don't exist yet on the wiki but are potential are red. So I've already done mine, so click there. And this is my user page. And I guess I should answer the questions that are in the assignment, which is basically what is your major, minor, all that sort of stuff. So I'll copy that and go here and edit the page, and I'll just do it down here. Sometimes when you paste, you get a little dialog box asking if you want to paste. Oh, some people are more comfortable with a rich editor. So this is what the rich editor looks like, more like Microsoft Word. So there are all the questions, and so an easy way to just remember them all is to paste them in, and then you could answer them in between the there you go. So let's just pretend that I've answered all these questions. Let's just do I'll indent my answer a little bit. That makes it easier to read. Where's that indent thing? I guess the quote. My major is communication, of course, etc., etc. And then I want to save that, so I just save it. The other part of the assignment, which you can go back and find by going back here, down here, to the presence. So you create a link, blah, 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 and then you visit 2 other students' pages. Of course, no one else has a page, but let's just say that I'm one of the students, and so everybody has a discussion tab, which is also linked here, but this student or this person has a discussion. So then you can edit, or you can actually do this little plus, which adds a little section where you can type in. So you can do that, and we'll call it comment on Richard's page. I notice that you have a photo. How did you do that? And I'm going to sign this because there's a little thing that lets you sign stuff. Boop. And then I'll save it. Okay, now I have a comment. So that's the little add a section, and then this is the signature. See, I put a link to my name and the time. And that means if you ask a question, someone will be able to reply to you. So that's the wiki, and the assignment. Obviously, you not comment on your own page, you comment on someone else's. And if you're trying to find the other students, oh yeah, one of the important things is that you have to link your page to the student page. So once you've done that, let's just say I'm in D101. I've got the instructions how to do it here, but let's just pretend I'm in D101. And I'll just type square brackets twice, user, colon, Smith, square brackets twice, prof in communication. And then I save that. And there it is, user Smith. And if I click that, sure enough, it takes me back here. So the last part to the first assignment is to, so I've created the link, answered the questions, visited other students' pages. I have to complete the plagiarism tutorial and print off the last page and bring it. So may have done this as part of, here's the link to the tutorial, and here's the interactive tutorial that you're supposed to do. And you just read through stuff, click next whenever you're done. And they have 2 quizzes, or 3 quizzes, I think they're pretty short. And it's one of those things that's good for you. So that's our website. See you on Monday.